Hey, how's it going everybody? This is Aman. So today we will take a look at how to buy Donkey tokens. So finally, the Donkey token is launched on different platforms. I'll be showing you how to buy it on PancakeSwap using my MetaMask wallet. Let's get to it. So if you're new and you don't know how to add balance to your BSC network on MetaMask, here is a video in the link above, and this will help you to transfer BNB token from your Binance account to MetaMask account. And then you can buy some donkeys. So how I got the token address is I went to the Donkey Finance Twitter and they have already tweeted their token address for PancakeSwap. Pretty easy. You can either click this link or copy the address from the tweet. I will be clicking on the link. This way I'll be adding the Donkey token to my PancakeSwap. So as you can see, the balance is 0. I didn't buy any Donkey tokens yet. Here I'll be setting my slippage tolerance to minimum and go from there if the transaction fails. So I'll be setting it to 1, for example. And attempt buying it. Well, seems like it's working. Here it might be a bit confusing because I have a MetaMask window open here, which is asking me to approve or reject the transaction. I am clicking on approving and it's already through. It will take a minute or two to reflect in your balance. So as you can see, I have bought 18 Donkey tokens, which was really easy. And you can use slippage tolerance as 1, which is really good. You're not losing like 12% of your total amount in the transaction. So now I will be attempting to add this token to my PancakeSwap as it's not added, and every time it will be difficult to find it. So I'll just copy the contract address from the tweet of Donkey Finance Twitter page and paste it here in PancakeSwap. It's already showing the Dawn token here. You can just click add and it will be added to the list of the tokens. You can also add this token to your MetaMask wallet, so you can always see your holdings in the MetaMask wallet. Just go to add token and copy there and paste the address there, and then just add token. It will always be showing in your MetaMask wallet as well. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be coming back to you soon. See you in the next one.